Stan, Mahalo Grinds, coming to you from my kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a favorite rum cake recipe. Okay, it's a really simple recipe. You folks are going to love it, and as well as your friends and family. And it's a recipe that I've been making for quite some time, and I'm going to pass it down along to you. Okay, so here. Okay, so next we're going to make the glazing for the cake. It's a sugar glaze, okay? I start off with a block of butter. Now don't get worried about the entire block, because this one batch, if you will cover and glaze maybe 4 cakes, but I'm making 3 tonight, so I'm going to use a block of butter. So it starts off with a block of butter, okay? Put it in a pot, saucepan, and we're going to, it's basically a block of butter, a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of rum, and a cup of sugar. Okay, so you put that in there like that. Okay, so now what you're going to do with this is you're going to bring it to a boil, and I mean a boil, because what you want to do is you want to cook off the alcohol that's in the rum, but sustain the rum flavor. So in order to do that, you've got to bring the whole entire mixture to a boil. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And we'll be right back. It's just about melted and it's coming to a boil. Again, you want to bring this to a really good boil, again, to burn off the alcohol in the rum. Okay, so we're back, and you can tell, as you can hear, the cake is done. At least the timer's going off, so we're going to check on what the cakes look like, and then there they are, and that looks pretty darn good. Okay, so I only set it for 45 minutes at 325. Set it for 45 minutes, and I believe that they look good enough to come out, and we want to, that's what they're looking like. So yeah, so we're going to pull them out of the oven, we're going to let them cool down, and then we're going to glaze them. Okay, see you back in a bit. All right, we've got the cakes out of the oven, and I'm going to show you how to glaze the cakes with the sugar glazing. Okay, so I have the cake here. Basically, I bring it over to a board. We're going to get the cake out of the baking pan. All right. Again, we've since sprayed oil into the pan and coated it with flour so it doesn't stick. So cross your fingers. Here we go. Voila. There's the cake. There we go. Okay. And now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take a fork. I'm just going to poke the top of the cake just to kind of help air it out a little bit before we glaze it. Okay, just like that. Helps it cool as well. Okay. All right, just like that. Voila. Now time for the glazing.